Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable game mode in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable game mode in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing I recommend you have to try to update your software. So go to settings, go to general, and here go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS. There's no any pending software update for your iPhone. If you find, just try to update your software. So after updating in the latest iOS version or the latest updates, there's a feature that your game mode automatically turn on whenever you try to open any game. So let's say I'm gonna open any game. Let's say I wanna open this one. Whenever you try to open any game, your game mode automatically turned on. So if it doesn't work for you that your gaming mode or your game mode is not turning on automatically, so you can do the same thing manually. So you just have to simply go back, just scroll down in control center and you will get a focus center here, or it might be do not disturb. You just have to tap on this, and here just tap on plus option to add new focus. Just tap on this, and here you'll get the gaming option. You just have to select that, and here just tap on customize focus if you want to, and here just enable this toggle to enable gaming focus. Just scroll down. Now you'll find it in your focus section. Whenever you want to turn it on, you just have to tap on it and it will be turned on. So in this way you can easily enable gaming mode in your iPhone automatically or manually. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.